Alright, got an effect for you. Feel both sides of the handkerchief. Okay, show my hands empty. In my pocket here I have something. It's a bottle opener. What good is a bottle opener without anything to open? Alright, hello again everybody. Ready to show you some more magic. But hold on a second, I think I actually got a rock in my shoe or something in my shoe. 1 second here. Let me just shake that out. Oh my goodness. And that is the famous rockin' shoe invented by Louis Simonoff.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow.